By now you've probably heard that we've had a rather interesting storm hit us. This is about the third time in our history we've seen this, but this is a tough one. We want you to pray for us and realize that God has a plan. We know He does. And we're going to look forward to Him taking care of all the needs here through His people. And in the past, we've been able to do things even better than we did them before. And we're hoping that that'll take place again. I'm confident that God knew what He was doing, that He understood before the world began that this time was going to be here, and that we will go through this and we will be a better place for it. We're looking forward to working with you in the future and ask you to pray for us and work with us in this tough time right now. Thanks.
Where we're trying to go is. Wow, that's the gym back there.